In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix TikTok no internet connection error. So if you're basically connected to the internet and you have no issues with your internet, but you're still getting this error, then try checking if this is an error with TikTok servers. So if you go to Google and type in "is TikTok down," you'll get like websites like these where they will tell you, for example, if TikTok is having a global issue and everyone else is also having this problem. So you would see like a spike here in the data, like it would be a red line, and for example for this this website it will show the same thing. You would see like a big spike in like errors, like declaring that this is a like global issue and everyone is experiencing. So what you would do in this situation is just wait like for a few minutes until TikTok solves this issue, and that should fix your issue. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe.